Do not move too much, foolish horse. I will set you free. Move quickly, crazy horse! The first sheep be freed, or the goat? Tell me, tell me!
Who took my animals? I have suffered such a big loss.
Not spare this thief! There has been a chori at my farm. Please send help quickly.
Okay, sir. I am sending some police officers for help right now.
It's okay now, sir. We are here to help.
Look here, officer. This deep gouge means they were carrying a heavy load.
A heavy load, heading east.
Are fresh right here.
They must have entered the jungle recently. We're close.
Gives me the creeps.
Just stay in the car. I'm good. Officer, those look exactly like my animals. What are they doing in that truck?
That's what we're gonna find out. You're under arrest, Articulation.
Oh, thank you.
We can't thank you enough for catching him, officer.